Virginia is making investments in high-performance rail to last for generations to come. It's an ambitious vision to connect our communities, increase economic growth, and change how we travel. And we're making it happen through the Transforming Rail in Virginia initiative. Through strategic partnerships, the Virginia Passenger Rail Authority is advancing over a dozen critical infrastructure projects. Each project is part of a larger program to address capacity issues in the network and enhance passenger rail service across the Commonwealth. By leveraging federal, state, and regional funds and freight railroad partnerships, we're making it more efficient for passengers to travel and for freight trains to deliver their goods. Transforming Rail will provide more options, more round trips, more convenience, and more service for people and goods, allowing the Commonwealth to significantly increase Amtrak Virginia and VRE service, including the first time ever weekend and late-night service, all during the next decade. This will take cars off our highways and ease congestion. There's no better way to start than by addressing the congestion surrounding Washington, D.C. That's why the Long Bridge project comes first. For over a century, it's been a vital link connecting our Commonwealth to our nation's capital, and to the nation's busiest rail network on the East Coast. Starting in 2026, the Long Bridge project advances to major construction, and as a result, Amtrak, VRE, and CSX will begin to make temporary service adjustments. We are working with our partners to preserve as much of the current service as possible for both passengers and freight. While we are all still working through the details, rest assured that our plan prioritizes you, the rider. Building new rail infrastructure is a complex process that requires careful planning to minimize disruption to the train service. Amtrak, VRE, and VPRA coordinated to create construction windows, which are specific blocks of time when work can be performed on or near the tracks. These windows are carefully scheduled to avoid peak travel times and minimize impacts on passengers. Crews will be working not only on Long Bridge, but also on the Alexandria Fourth Track project, the L'Enfant Fourth Track project, and eventually, the Transforming Rail projects along the corridor as far south as Richmond, Virginia. Meanwhile, additional projects along the Norfolk Southern route to Roanoke will allow service extensions to the New River Valley by 2027. Specifically, plans call for construction to take place midday during a dedicated work window. This reduces travel disruptions on the most heavily used passenger trains and restricts construction noise and vibration to daytime hours. Additionally, our planning also looks at the impact of other large infrastructure projects currently underway along the East Coast. Most notably, these are the large-scale Amtrak Northeast Corridor projects outside Baltimore and New York. Schedule changes for these projects impact service to and from Virginia. For some temporarily adjusted Amtrak Virginia routes, we will provide bus bridge service to ensure you can still access your destinations. VRE is also bringing back the Amtrak Step Up program as an additional option for VRE multi-ride ticket holders to ride Amtrak trains in and out of Washington Union Station. Over the next few months, you will hear more from Amtrak and VRE as they publish their refined schedules and communicate to the public via their usually available communication tools and channels. VPRA also has a travel disruption map available on our website that provides real-time construction disruption details for best travel planning. And of course, we're asking that customers please plan ahead. Please obtain the assistance of VRE and Amtrak customer service staff or utilize trip planning apps available through our partners. As our planning advances, we are exploring other opportunities to assist the traveling public, and we will make that information available as details are finalized. During the next months and years ahead, a new modern Long Bridge will be complete, providing more frequent and reliable service for VRE, Amtrak, and the entire East Coast. Thank you for your patience as we build a stronger, more reliable rail network for our communities. To learn more and stay informed, visit vapassengerrailauthority.org.